We're the Netcel LM team from Netcel, and we've created a set of Opal workflows and agents that will help you make your content more effective by giving you feedback about it from the point of view of your target audience. This is the Virtual Focus Group.
Great digital content resonates with its intended audience and helps them to progress to the next stage of their conversion journey, from being educated and inspired to learn more, to persuading them to engage and ultimately purchase. Competent marketers will understand who they're writing content for, but how often can they actually consult with these customers and get feedback before the content is published?
Imagine writing a new piece of content or updating old copy and being able to instantly sense check what you've just written with customer representatives ahead of doing anything else. We've created an Opal workflow that uses agents that embody the character of different customers, can tell you what they think of the content you've written, and then recommend ways to improve it from their point of view. You can have as many agents as you have types of customer, just like you'd have if you were running a focus group with real customers. This isn't a replacement for real customer engagement or experimentation. It is, however, a powerful pre-publication assistant that can help you strengthen your experiments. We've workshopped this idea with content owners at one of our top clients, and they believe this could be a game changer.
In Opal Chat, we call the virtual focus group agent, giving it our content and telling it what outcomes we're looking to achieve. For example, for a prospective customer looking for home insurance, this outcome could be you understand the product, it's the right fit for you, and you decide to get a quote. The workflow runs choosing the right audience agent, that is the agent representing the customer, and giving it the content and outcomes. The audience agent analyses the content and creates a report, which the workflow sends to us as an email. In this report, the audience agent has given us feedback on what's good about our content, what's not so good, and given us a set of recommendations for improving the content from their perspective. It's speaking as if it's a real person in an interview setting, and it's set its observations out in a way that's both helpful and educational.
Back in Opal Chat, the virtual workflow agent provides the recommendations given by the audience agent as selectable options. When we switch over to Optimizely CMP, we can see those recommendations have been added as tasks, giving us a useful way to plan and track our edits. We have created a collection of audience personas ready to use by our virtual focus group agent. But how do we build new audience personas based on new personality traits and empathy maps? Well, we've created an agent to accomplish exactly that task. You can give it all the profile information you have, and it automatically generates the new audience agent custom instructions using the clear framework, ready to go to work.
As you can see, this workflow provides useful, actionable recommendations to improve your content's effectiveness within seconds and can be used for every new script and revision. You can create as many audience agents as you need based on as much real-world data as you've got and run them on the same piece of content to either create one piece of content that works for all personas or multiple pieces of tailored content for a personalized experience.
We're already getting great results with what we've made so far, but it's easy to see many ways we could extend it in future, including setting up a RAG to allow editors to supply new information that the agents can see in future interactions, automatically creating, launching and analysing experiments using content the agents have reviewed, comparing your content with your competitors and feeding that into the agent output, setting up personalisation using content that's been tailored by the agent to different audiences, and adding an agent to the workflow to recommend how the page should be laid out to maximise the content experience.
So, our virtual focus group uses agents that represent customers, not experts. It provides input into the content creation process that otherwise would be too expensive or impractical. It can continually learn and improve over time and integrate across the Optimizely One ecosystem. It's indefinitely scalable and extensible, being able to use real-world data as well as domain knowledge Optimizely has available to it, and any other agents and tools you can imagine to enrich its functionality as well as user experience. Thank you for watching.